Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to update your TikTok Lite app. For this, make sure to install TikTok Lite app on your phone just like me. Now go to your App Store or Play Store, just like this, and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here TikTok Lite. As you do it, you will get the option on the first. Tap on it. So, if you have an unupdated TikTok Lite app, you will get an option of update on the top right corner instead of open. Make sure to tap on update option and make your app updated. You can tap on this TikTok Lite and then watch new. So below watch new, you can see that my app was last updated on May 4, 2023. So it's the latest one. This is why I do have every feature on my TikTok Lite app. And if you want to get this same thing, you can tap on update option after getting one. So for this, even make sure to have a strong Wi-Fi connection, or even you can reinstall the app and make it updated automatically. So the next thing is you can even go to the settings of your phone. Make sure to go to settings, and to clear all of the cache, what you can do is you can scroll down and then tap on apps option, tap on manage apps option. Here on the search bar, enter here TikTok Lite and I search for this app. On the bottom, you can see force stop, uninstall and clear data option. Tap on clear data option and then tap on clear cache option. Now tap on OK option. Despite doing it, you have removed all of the cache related to this particular app, which might have created a grudge or a problem during updating your TikTok Lite app. So make sure to do it. So these are some of the process through which you can update your app. I hope this video will help you to update TikTok Lite app and use it very smoothly. And for more videos just like this, make sure to subscribe our channel and watch other videos as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.